Elbaph, Zoro, loving the new arc. It's good. I love the costumes as well. It's kind of this Viking look. So let's try Zoro's. I'm on landscape page, use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast. We got those goggles, right? So let's draw the nose part first, because it's like right in the middle. So it kind of curves over the tip of his nose. There. And then it goes up the side. And then swerves up the middle. Goes in and out. Then there's a little just line across this. And then this top of the goggle sort of area is like here. And then it comes down this way, kind of like glasses. Just in there. And then the inner section, just a line around the edge. The edge here. Okay, so we can see his eyes inside, so we got like a big frowning eyebrow. Grumpy Zoro. And then here as well. I think the back of it is like, I think his eyebrow comes down there. Okay, so we got his closed eye. Just make it thicker. And then his scar, they just do a single line scar. So it just comes down. And it'll come out from underneath the goggles, but we'll finish the goggles before we do that. Then there's another eyelid line on top as well. Then his eye, his open eye over here, just sort of flat, sort of top eyelid. And then the bottom. And then his iris. So you have it's black sort of a lot of the times in the anime until they're sort of close up, and then they give him a gray eye. So we'll give him the gray. And then his top eyelid line. Like so. So we just finished those goggles. So we'll go around that shape again. So just going out wider. And then we go in. And then there's an edge line. Here and here. So, right, so like, say like under his nose, so we can curve it around here. And then the nostrils are just in there. And then his grumpy downturned mouth. And then his bottom lip. And then the chin. Jaw then goes out. About mouth level is where you change direction and go up the side of his face. And Zoro has those long green sideburns in here. And then the goggles have like a band that goes around his head. So they like bump around his ears and his head out the other side. And then his ears come down. And of course we have the earrings. Sort of teardrop shaped earrings. And then there's like well, not sunflower, maybe there's sunflowers, but flower patterns on the headband as well. So his hairline, so we'll go up, across, across, and then the hair spikes. And then we can just finish the rest of his scar. And he's got some lines for the side of his head. Maybe like some frown lines or something there. And then all the hair spikes that go around. Short hair spikes. Just like little shark fins. Very simple the way they do it in one piece. Just all the way. And then we do have like some ones sticking up the middle as well. Right, so then he's got like a big fur sort of jacket. So just bumping like this all the way around. Like that, and on the other side as well, similar. And then his neck. So then we can just like see his collarbone just on top of his shirt, which is kind of black and gray, or well, black and yellow, I think, really. It's got like a little pieces of string tying it across. And then a big shoulder pad with metal studs. Elbaph Zoro. Hope it's helpful. Can't wait for Loki. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.